schedule? Sister,
It's causing me to wear those high heels.
oh my.
Mama.
Yes.
Mom, don't you see
Mungu saya wakana wipulay. Mungus.
Switch off the light.
Switch off the lights, please. Switch off the lights, please.
Oh. Someone is doing their own thing.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play.
It's not aromat, it's aromat. What am I saying?
Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing?
So today is Saturday. We're just taking it easy today. We're tired. Thank you, friend.
Why are you laughing like that?
I'm going to take a nap now. So I'll see you guys when we wake up. Yes. Oh my gosh, really?
'Cause you make me feel.
This girl.
I'm only coming out to play.
Hello there. No, good morning. Good morning. I got home around 9. I had to pass by McDonald's to get some food. I got home, unpacked my luggage, washed my makeup brushes, and now I just want to take a nap before Omari arrives. But it was a good weekend. It really was a good weekend. Even though I did hurt my foot. Like, it's only hitting me now that actually my foot is painful. But I have pain meds, so it's okay. I took pain meds actually. I should probably take a nap, wake up, have something to eat, and take some more painkillers. But it was a good weekend, honestly. I just needed to be with someone who cares, someone to comfort me, someone to lighten the weight, and Julia did that exceedingly. She did amazing in that regard, because she just, when I got there in the state that I was in, she covered me with a whole lot of love, and validation and warmth, you know. And her mom as well. Her mom was just amazing, really amazing. So yeah, this is the end for this video. Are we back to recording videos, my girl? I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. Let me stop planning things in advance. Let's just take it as it goes. But I will switch it up. I will. So anyway, let me take a nap, and I will see you guys. No, I'm not going to see you guys after this, because when my son comes, I'll just want to get into mommy mode. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.